Hello, my coil queens. This is V, the coil queen. Listen, I want to introduce you to a product line, and it is called Regimen 31 or Regimen 3 in 1. Now, this is a fantastic product line. Listen, if you believe that your hair deserves the very best ingredients, then this is the line you want to pay attention to. I'm going to introduce you to 4 of their products. They do have more than these 4, but these are 4 of my faves. Now, this line is it has a lot of aloe vera in it, and aloe vera is excellent for the hair. It's excellent for the skin, and type 4 hair really loves aloe vera. So all of my 4C sisters out there, this one is for you for sure. Now, first I want to introduce you to their #1 seller, and this is the aloe leave-in conditioner. Okay, this is a liquid leave-in conditioner. It's aloe vera base. It is fantastic. If you're looking for something that packs a powerful punch, but it is not heavy on the hair, then this is the one that you want. You can use it for you and the kids. It is a liquid. It's a liquid leave-in conditioner, okay? Usually liquids are not my faves, but in this case, this one performs just as well as a cream or a lotion base, okay? It's going to soothe the scalp. It's going to help to heal the scalp. It's going to provide moisture to your hair. It has glycerin in it, aloe vera, a little bit of apple cider vinegar. It is excellent, absolutely excellent. I highly recommend you pick up a bottle of this if you are looking for a good quality leave-in conditioner and you're finding the others to be lackluster. This is one that you want to try it. Try it at least once, because if you try it once, you're going to try it again. I am sure of that. Now, she sells it. It comes with a nozzle like this, and she also gives you an extra sprayer. Isn't that nice? I haven't used mine, but I just spray it straight from this bottle. I love this stuff. Okay, the second one is her Extreme Growth Elixir. Okay, you notice the smaller bottle. This also has aloe vera in it, and it has MSM and peppermint oil in it. It is excellent for increasing your hair growth. Use these 2 babies together and pow! Your hair is going to be growing like crazy. Okay, this will soothe your scalp, and it's going to help the hair grow. It's going to help the hair grow better because of that MSM that's added to the aloe vera. This is one that you want to get. You know, last year or a year ago when I got sick and I was not able to do anything to my hair, it was itching a little bit, I just took some of this with the nozzle, put it up under my scalp, and just kept putting it on my scalp. And you know, by the time I did detangle my hair, maybe 3 weeks later, I did not lose a lot of hair. The only hair that came out was the shed hair. My hair didn't break or anything. And I partially credit this Extreme Hair Growth Elixir. You want to get these 2 babies right here. You want to get the whole line, okay? The whole line. I'm talking about those of you that know and believe that your hair, your body deserves the very best ingredients. This is the line for you. All right, so let's put those 2 to the side. Now, she does have a deep conditioner. Let me get it here. There you go. She's also got a deep conditioner. It also has aloe in it, and it is absolutely excellent. It will soften your hair, help your hair to detangle better, and it's a nice size jar. We need a nice size jar for our deep conditioners, don't we? Yes, we do. Now, here is another one of my faves. And those of you that follow me in my natural hair groups and have followed the website for a while, you know that I love some black soap, okay? Black soap, pure, authentic, raw African black soap is my #1 recommendation for cleansing the hair for the whole family, okay? Cleanse the hair, the skin, all of that. Okay, but those that don't want to just use the soap, that they still want somewhat of a traditional shampoo, you can get a black soap shampoo. Now, most of the black soap shampoos that are out there, I know Shea Moisture had one and a few other lines, they're kind of lackluster. They don't have as much black soap in it as I would like, being a lover of black soap. But this one, baby, this one right here, Oh, this is a good quality one. Let me just squirt some out here for you. See how that looks. So look, this is going to be easy to get onto the scalp. Did I close it? Oh, sorry, I closed it. There we go. See that? Look at that. That's going to go in there and cleanse, detox. And it's going to cleanse without stripping your scalp. That's what you want it to do. Cleanse without stripping the hair. Now let me add a little bit of water to the back of my hand so I can show y'all the lather. Okay. Get my water in there. There we go. I don't know if the lather is showing up on camera, but I can see the lather. There we go. I see some bubbles. I'm not sure you can see it on camera. You know, everything doesn't always translate on the camera, but this gives you a good lather. And if you use raw African black soap, you already know it lathers up like nobody's business. It cleanses, it detoxifies, okay? But it also will not tangle the hair, so your hair is not stripped. Oh, this is nice. Oh, yeah. I can feel the lather. There's little bubbles. Can you see the little bubbles? I don't think you can see them on camera, but African black soap shampoo, you want to get you some. Let me wipe the back of my hand here. I love it, love it, love it, love it. So this is Regimen 3-in-1 or Regimen 31. I'm going to be introducing you to more small businesses. We have to support these small businesses, especially black-owned businesses. And this line really cares about your hair. I know the owner. She's particular about her hair, and she's particular about your hair as well. And if you are particular about your hair and you appreciate good ingredients that work, you want to get this line. All right, the link will be down either in the comments or it will be in the description of this video. Thank you so much, and don't forget to visit CoileyQueensRock.com for all of your hair growing needs. I help you to grow your hair and then also to keep the hair that you grow. Until next time, God bless you.